Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, we're gonna see how to get the new DramaBox hack update for both iOS and Android users with unlimited coins, and it's a direct link download. It will take like 2 or 3 minutes just by following some simple steps, and you will be good to go. So let's start our tutorial on how to get it. First of all, you need to open your browser. In my case, I'm going to use Safari, but it works like on every browser you prefer. Then head to the website to where we're going to get the DramaBox hack. I will leave you the link on the screen, then search for the dot, and it will appear top of the list. Then it will ask you to choose your device. I will go with iOS in case you're on iPhone, iPad. Choose iOS, and for other devices, choose the Android. Then the download should start automatically. In some cases with the high traffic on the website, for some security reasons, it may ask you to complete the human verification by completing 2 offers, like in-selling an app or completing a survey. I recommend choosing the ones with the easy icon. Once the download is done, you can start enjoying your game along with the script, and that's all for today's video. See you guys in the next one. Don't forget to leave a like and a sub. Thanks.